he's on my roof, broad daylight in the morning, depositing presents for people. No! Hey! No! Get what the hell!
Santa Claus na kuna ng drone at Mommy Alligator na umatake. Well, kung handa ka na ay tara. Number 1. Ang abandoned explorer ay pumunta sa isang napakalumang bahay upang maghanap ng kababalagan. Nang nasa gitna sila ng looban ng bahay, ay may narinig silang kakaiba.
So I'm going to guess this is like some sort of living room area.
Gayunpaman, nagpatuloy sila sa pag-i-explore ng bahay sa kagustuhan nilang makita kung meron ba talagang espiritu sa pagitan ng buhay at mga pumayapa na. Kaya naman di kalaunan na ito ang nangyari.
Oi! What? Yeah, mate! What's going on, mate? Whoa! Whoa! I smell food!
Nakita nila ang hinahanap nila. Sa kasamang palad ay hindi paranormal ang pangyayari dahil nahulog lamang ito sa floor. Akala mo paranormal na no? Baka nagtrip nga lang ang dalawang ito. Bago tayo magpatuloy ay gusto ko munang i-shoutout ang aming pinakamamahal na mga subscribers na sina Noel Domdom, Yan Hilang Malakas, Hat TV, GM Alday, Carmelita Shobal, Jeffrey Tagsaan, JTV. Salamat idol sa mga feedback mo sa bawat video natin. Salute kami sa iyo. Ma'am Lizelle, Dave Sappers, Rainsong Bonifacio, Daisy Tuala, Allen Aguilar, Judy Kabungkay, Ryan Sobertes, Kevin David Berdera, at kay Yana Marie Gilos. I'm so thankful to you guys for being part of my family and continuously supporting our channel. And I'm deeply asking an apology for those people na hindi namin na shoutout. Mag-comment na lang po kayo ulit para ma-shoutout namin kayo sa susunod na video. Once again, thank you so much. And as always, keep safe. Ito ay na-post ng channel na Chills na original ng KC YouTube channel na nagpapakita ng isang uri ng lizard na gumagalaw ng kakaiba. Para itong inihingalo isang mating action para maka-attract ng babae. Sa kasamang palad, isa pala itong warning signal nang bigla itong umatake. Well, pag nakita ka nito, wag na wag ka nang lalapit. Ito ay na-post sa YouTube channel na Yutabe123 kung saan isang waitress ang nag-aayos at nagliligpit ng mga gamit sa loob ng bar. Nang mangyari ang hindi inaasahan. Nang malinis nito ang lamesa ay bigla siyang nadapat. Unti-unting nabunggo nito ang salamin na ikinabasag nito. Kung panunuring mabuti ay maaaring stunt lamang ito dahil unang tumama ang mga braso nito o sadyang magaling na nilalang lamang ang babaeng ito. Well, hindi ko lubos maisip kung ano ang maaaring mangyari sa kanya matapos ang aksidenteng ito. Si Mr. Big ay isang malaking iguana na pag-aari ng isang lalaki. Sa pagpasok ng amo nito ay ito ang nangyari.
See, there he is. He tried to bite me. There he is. He tried to bite me.
Ang napakalaking lizard ay bigla siyang sinunggaban sa kamay nito. But don't worry, isa lamang itong gloves dahil nagugutom lamang si Mr. Big. Kaya naman pinakain niya ito ng lettuce.
He doesn't even care.
Well, mag-aalaga ka pa ba ng iguana na pag nagutom ay napagkakamalang kang pagkain? Ang lalaking ito ay walang kalam-alam na sa paghawak nito sa maliit na buhaya ay may nagbabadyang panganib. Nang gumawa ng ingay ang maliit na buhaya ay isang napakabilis na malaking buhaya ang hindi nila napapansing gumagapang papunta sa kanila.
Crocodile Dundee.
Takot at labis na pangamba ang naramdaman ng mga viewers nito. Sa kasamang palad ay hanggang dito na lang ang video. Ano kaya ang nangyari? Ang lalaking ito ay nakarinig ng mga kaluskos sa bubong nito. Kaya upang malaman kung ano ito ay pinalipad nito ang drone sa paligid ng bahay.
Find out that Santa was there. And I didn't see anything at all until I flew my drone. Right here, I have the footage that I took this morning in broad daylight of Santa Claus literally like, I'm going up. I need to see what's on the roof because I need to see if Santa Claus is there. And I look. He's not.
Sa pagpapalipad nito ay wala pa rin siyang nakikitang kakaiba.
You don't see anything. At all. I'm even looking at my neighbors' houses. I don't see anything at all. Nothing in the backyard. Nothing even on the front part of like the house. So I thought at this point I am just so tired I should just go to bed. But I see something red peek right out the corner of my eye. And you guessed it. It was Santa Claus.
Di kalaunan ay nakita nito si Santa.
So I got closer. I was wondering what he was doing, trying to figure out if he's here to give me presents, and I think you'll see later he definitely was. Okay, so at this point, the wind was actually blowing the drone. I was kind of scared I was going to hit the house, but I didn't. You could literally see his ginormous beard looking around, being super sus as hell. He's looking around, and he didn't see anything at all. Like, at all.
Maya't maya ba ay nakita na ni Santa ang lumilipad na drone.
He ended up putting a lot of toys like out of his bag. Like he was taking them and putting them on the floor, as you can see. Like he's just putting it on the roof, going through his bag, putting it on the roof. I don't know why, but not during the devil's hour. And he's on my roof, broad daylight in the morning, depositing presents for people. See, look at that. That present almost fell off the roof right there.
Ilang minuto lamang ang lumipas ay tuluyan nang nakapasok sa loob si Santa.
Climbed the roof. And I don't know why he didn't just land on there with his reindeers. It doesn't make any sense. But, oh yeah, that's right. I completely forgot about this. He actually saw a red object in the air flying. So I moved it out of the way and he stopped. So maybe he just thought it was something like weird. I don't know. He definitely didn't seem interested about it after. So I was looking, there's no snow on the ground. It's like literally a green Christmas right now. And all is weird. Very weird. So, best next day he does through a window. He's trying right there, my roommate Mike's room. He tried he sees that the other room actually has a window open, so he goes to that one. Now, in the kitchen watching this happen, and I'm flying the drone. I'm literally right behind the house at the back, flying the drone, and he goes in the house. I could not believe it, guys. It's crazy. He's opening the window, and this is the only way he can go in. Eventually, you guys can see, there's literally like 5 presents there.
Dali-dali siyang pumasok at pumunta sa itaas, ngunit wala doon si Santa.
Tried to see what he was doing, in the house, and he literally shut the window. He's looking extremely weird. I know you're in here. He's up there. He's literally right up there, guys. Santa, I know you're in there. Show yourself. I just want to see the real you. What? Where did he go? Guys, are those presents still out there? Oh my god. What? Guys, Santa Claus left presents.
Dali-dali siyang bumaba sa hagdanan nang ito ang bumulagta sa kanya.
Any one of our... Wait, what? The Christmas tree's on. What the hell? Look at that, guys. It's bright. Wait. Oh my god, look. He delivered presents. Santa Claus for this one right here. But I already have a Nintendo Switch. So I guess the only other thing I can do is do another giveaway and giveaway.
Di kalaunan na nagpakita na nga si Santa sa kanya, ngunit nakakatakot ang mukha nito. Naggagawan pa sila.
Is that Santa Claus? Whoa, hey, Santa! Wait, what's wrong with your face? Are you the evil Santa?
That gift I got you, Jesse. Did you enjoy it?
What?
No, you didn't. You already have one.
Wait, what? You didn't wait to one of the viewers. You don't.
No, I have a good idea.
What?
You're gonna give it to me.
I'm not giving it to you. You're Santa. You have plenty of these in the North Pole.
I'm Santa. I give gifts. I don't get them.
What? You don't good reason to believe that this is gonna be given to my viewers and not you. No, hey, no, get what the hell? Yo, Santa, get off me, bro. Yo, that's oh shit. Yo.
Okay, let's end this video. Malamang ay alam mo na kung anong klaseng video ito. Isa lang din naman itong drama upang mag-promote ang may-ari ng video. Shout out sa inyong lahat. See you again.
What are you even doing here? What?
Why? I'm delivering presents to my pal Jester.
Oh. No, he's trying to take him away.
Oh?
So you want presents?
Yes.